Hi there boys and girls and mums and dads. My name's Claire and I'm from Charlie Boots. Welcome to our crystal design workshop. I'm so excited to show you today how to make your very own bracelet, and the skills that we use in this video you can use to make so many wonderful creations. So let's get started. Okay guys, this is the fun bit. So as a reminder, we need to make sure we have a clean workspace, and once you've opened up your crystal set, you'll see that there's lots of wonderful things inside. To make this bracelet, this is what we need. So we've got a piece of adhesive tape, we have our designs, of course we have our crystals themselves, our tray, our sticky pad, our crystal tool, and our bracelet. Now some extra things which are really handy to have: some sticky tape, a little spoon, and also some scissors. So let's get going. So the first thing that we need to do is to pick our design. Today I'm going to choose this one. It's by far my favourite. So the first thing we're going to do is just cut it out. Now the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to grab the adhesive paper. So you can see here on one side it's all nice and shiny, and on the other side it's matte. What we want to do is place the paper with the shiny side up and get our design like this and place it face down. The next thing we'll do is grab our sticky tape and just sticky tape it down to the adhesive paper. Now what we're going to do, just to make sure that we don't waste any, is we're just going to cut it out, and we can pop that over there. So that's what it looks like. Now the next thing that we do is we flip it over, and what we want to do is we want to take off the yellow backing, and we want to make sure it's going to be sticky underneath. So it could be a little bit, it is a little bit fiddly, so you might need to ask your mum and dad to help. Oh, there we go, we've got it. So what you can see there is we have our lovely design, and it's all nice and sticky. So we'll place that in front of us, ready to go. With our crystal tray. Now the reason I said it's a handy idea to grab a spoon is it's a really great way to actually scoop the crystals out of the tray and pop them in here. So the first colour we're going to do is pink. So I'm going to pick, I think this pink here, and we'll pop them in the tray. Now all we need to do is just follow the guide. So this little pink red square actually helps the crystal tool be sticky. So we just pop it on top there, and then we pick the crystals and pop in place onto the sticky pad. And away we go. Now a tip here with the crystals themselves is you can see that they have a flat side and also a side with a cone on the top. What you want to be doing is making sure when you're popping them onto the stencil that the flat side is down. And the great thing about this as well is these stencils are just a guide. You can use your own creativity, and at Charlie Boots we love it when we see kids taking a certain task and adding their own spin onto it. I saw one of our creators recently wrote their name in crystals and put it on a bracelet. It was amazing. is we're going to change colour. So what I'm going to do to make it a little bit easier is pop my tool down. I'm actually going to pour the pink back in, and then I'm going to use my spoon again, and we're going to go with orange this time. And if you need to, you can pop this tool back into your pink square if you need it to be a little bit more sticky. Mine is still very sticky at the moment. Wonderful, that's orange finished. Let's move on to yellow. Oh, a little sticky. Go guys, we've already got a little bit sticky, 3 colours there. I'm going to leave this with you to keep going and check in back at the end when we're ready to put our crystal design onto our bracelet. So we'll see you soon. Okay, now that we have finished all of the crystals, look how wonderful that looks. The next step is to pop the crystals onto our bracelet. So what you need to do is grab your scissors and you want to cut around the crystals. So here we go. What you can see that we've got here is a nice thin strip. Now what we're going to do is we want the crystals to be taped onto the bracelet like that. So all we need to do is take off the backing. So you might need help from mum or dad with this one. There we go. So I'm just going to take part of it off like that. And then we're going to line up the end of the bracelet like this, and on it goes. Just take off the sticky as we go. There we go. Just make sure it's lined up correctly. Might just give that another go. Just line it up a little bit better. Perfect. We're finished. Thank you so much, boys and girls, for joining me for this workshop. We can't wait to see you on the next one.